Well, concerns about bird flu have led to some federal action involving the nation's milk supply. Federal officials have ordered testing to begin later this month. But as NBC 10's Malcolm Johnson reports, Massachusetts is a little bit different.
Over 700 dairy herds across the country have tested positive for bird flu across 15 states, according to federal data. The USDA issuing a new federal order for milk samples to be collected and shared with the agency for testing. An outbreak of the highly pathogenic avian influenza in dairy cattle was first detected back in March.
Younger people, people with suppressed immune systems, they can become extremely ill and even possibly die from foodborne illnesses that may come from raw milk.
Officials have long warned that raw milk can pose serious health risks because it can carry dangerous germs such as E. coli, salmonella, and listeria.
Some people have a misperception that raw milk is somehow healthier for you or that raw milk protects you from illness, and those are fallacies. Those are false statements.
Here in Massachusetts, all licensed dairy farms have been tested for bird flu. The Department of Agricultural Resources says Massachusetts is the only state in the nation to test all of its dairy herds from 95 farms with 100% negative results.
We definitely focus on safety of milk supply is critical to us, okay? And there is no doubt that pasteurization is the #1 tool that we have as an entire industry.
The first round of national testing begins December 16th. We're reporting in Peabody. I'm Malcolm Johnson, NBC 10 Boston.